Hello everyone, this is Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, we will be solving sample problems involving this topic, translation of linear function. Okay, let's start with the first problem. The graph of the linear function y is equal to ax was translated -6 units in the direction of the y-axis, resulting in the graph of y is equal to -5 over 2x plus b. Okay, what is the value of a, b? Okay, in our previous episode, we said that y is equal to ax plus b is a linear function. Okay, according to this problem, y is equal to ax, okay, was translated -6 units in the direction of the y-axis. So the -6 here is the value of b. So we will write this one as -6. So we have y is equal to ax minus 6. Okay, resulting in the graph of y is equal to -5 over 2x plus b. So this is equal to y is equal to -5 over 2x plus b. Okay, it means a is -5 over 2. So a is -5 over 2. Okay, what about b? b is -6. Okay, what is the value of a, b? So it's gonna be -5 over 2. Multiply this one by the value of b, which is -6. So we will simplify. This is 1. This now becomes 3. And -5 times -3, then the result of, or the value of AB is 15. Okay, let's move on to the second problem. The graph of the linear function y is equal to -3x was translated a unit in the direction of the y-axis. And the resulting graph passes through the point -1, 5. So what is the value of a? So in this problem, we have here this linear function y is equal to -3x. And according to this problem, this linear function was translated a unit in the direction of the y-axis. So it means this is plus a. Okay, and the resulting graph of this linear function passes through the point -1, 5. So this is one ordered pair that when we graph this function, it passes through the point -1, 5. So -1 is our x coordinate, 5 is our y coordinate. So to find the value of a, we just have to substitute this value in our function or in this linear function. So x is -1. So this is -3 times -1. Y is 5. So this is 5 is equal to -3 times -1 plus a. Okay, let's simplify. 5 is equal to, this is now positive 3. So 3 plus a. And to find a, 5 minus 3, then that's equal to 2. So that means the value of a is 2. Okay, moving on to the third problem. According to this problem, the graph of y is equal to -2 times this expression x plus 4 plus 3 is a translation of the graph of the linear function y is equal to -2x. By how many units was it translated in the direction of the y-axis? Okay, take note, in this function y is equal to ax plus b. The value of b, this is the unit, or this is the number that we are looking for. So let's get this function y is equal to negative 2 times this expression inside the parenthesis x plus 4 plus 3. Okay, if we will simplify, then this is negative 2x minus 8 plus 3. So y is equal to negative 2x and negative 8 plus 3, that's negative 5. So this graph is a translation of the graph of the linear function y is equal to negative 2x. So it means how many units or how many units was it translated in the direction of the y-axis? So it means the answer is negative 5. Okay, for the fourth problem, we have here the graph of the linear function y is equal to 8 over 5x minus 7 was translated negative 9 units in the direction of the y-axis. And the result is this new linear function y is equal to ax plus b. So we're looking for the value of b over a, or b divided by a. So let's get this linear function. Y is equal to 8 over 5x minus 7. This was translated negative 9 units in the direction of y-axis. So it means minus 9. Okay, and the result is this new linear function y is equal to ax plus b. So y is equal to ax plus b. Okay, let's simplify. So this is 8 over 5x, and negative 7 minus 9 is negative 16. Okay, that's equal to this function. Okay, we are looking for the value of b over a, or b divided by a. Okay, it means a is 8 over 5. Okay, what about b? B is negative 16. Okay, let's compute. B over A. So it's negative 16 over 8 over 5. Or we can write like this. So it's going to be negative 16 divided by the value of A, which is 8 over 5. So if we are dividing by fraction, we just have to change division to multiplication and then get the reciprocal of 8 over 5. So that's going to be 5 over 8. Okay, before multiplying, we can simplify. 16 and 8, common factor is 8. So this becomes 1. This becomes 2. So we now have negative 2 times 5. Then this is equal to negative 10. So the value of b over a, or b divided by a, is negative 10. Okay, and for our last problem, we have here the graph of the linear function y is equal to negative 5x was translated 2k units in the direction of the y-axis. And the resulting graph passes through the point k negative 12. So we are looking for the value of k. Okay, so we have here this linear function y is equal to negative 5x. This was translated 2k units in the direction of the y-axis. So it means plus 2k. Okay, and then the resulting graph of this function passes through the point k negative 12. So it means k, this is our x coordinate, and negative 12 is our y coordinate. Okay, to find the value of k, we just have to substitute this value in this function. So this K is our x-coordinate. So K is here. Negative 12 is our y-coordinate. So negative 12 is here. Negative 12 is here. So we have negative 12. Okay, equals negative 5. Okay, times K. That's gonna be negative 5K plus 2K. Okay, let's simplify. So this is negative 12. Negative 5K plus 2K is negative 3K. So it means to find the value of K, divide both sides by negative 3. So negative 12 divided by 3, negative 12 divided by negative 3 is positive 4. So K is positive 4. So that's the value of K.